Setting up an account with BitPay takes only about a minute. Click on Open a free account. Enter your email address and confirm that you have familiarized yourself with the privacy policy and terms of service. Then grant the required consents. Click on Register. You will then receive an email to the email address you entered previously. Open it up and click on Activate Account. You will then be prompted to select a login and password. Make sure to come up with a unique password. A password should consist of a minimum of 8 characters, both higher and lowercase letters, numbers and non-alphabetic characters, structures dissimilar from the selected login. Next, select the PIN code. Finally, having clicked on Next, you will be prompted to select your nationality and default currency. Done! You can now log into your new account.